Hi guys, today for the pronunciation workshop I'll read 15 sentences written in the IPA symbols. Well, instead of choosing 15 normal sentences, I decided to choose 15 quotes. 15 of the quotes I like the most. So let's continue. The first one is live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. So remember, the one in black is the English, just writing in the English words, and the one in red is the phrase written in the IPS symbols. The second one, be yourself, everyone else is already taken. This is a nice one. I really like it. Number 3. Music in the soul can be heard by the universe. Number 4. Do what you can with what you have where you are. Number 5. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Number 6. Believe you can and you are halfway there. Number 7. I haven't failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Number 8. Remember that happiness is a way of travel, not a destination. I guess this is one of my favorites. Number 9. Peace begins with a smile. And the last one, it is never too late to be what you may have been. Beautiful picture. So, thank you, and I hope you like it.